Ever walked onto a dealership lot and spotted cars with huge discounts that seem too good to pass up? Well, they're there for a reason, and you won't believe why. Dealers are practically giving away certain models to clear space, and we're about to reveal which ones are priced to move. In this video, we'll show you 14 cars that dealerships are desperate to get off their lots, including top brands like Ford, Toyota, and BMW, as well as luxury names like Audi. Stick around because by the end you'll know exactly which cars to grab before the deals are gone. Ready to score some insane discounts? Let's dive in. First up is the Nissan Rogue. Once a top contender in the SUV market, the Rogue has seen a significant decline in sales. As of 2024, sales have dropped by around 17% compared to the previous year, and over 100,000 unsold Rogues are sitting on dealership lots. So what's going on? One major factor is the absence of a hybrid option, which has left the Rogue trailing behind competitors like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and the Honda CR-V Hybrid. As more consumers seek eco-friendly alternatives, the Rogue's traditional 2.5-litre engine just doesn't compete in the growing hybrid market. To make matters worse, Nissan has had to adjust its production strategy due to these slowing sales, cutting back on shifts and even offering employee buyouts at US plants. This has further complicated inventory issues and left dealers with a significant number of unsold units. Competing models like the Hyundai Tucson and Subaru Forester offer better fuel efficiency and more advanced tech, making the Rogue less attractive to buyers looking for a more modern, efficient option. With this backlog of unsold Rogues, dealers are offering steep discounts, cashback incentives, and special promotions to clear out inventory. If you're in the market for an affordable SUV and don't mind missing out on hybrid options, now could be your chance to grab a deal on the Nissan Rogue before it undergoes a redesign in the near future. Next is the Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson was once a strong contender in the compact SUV segment, but in 2024 it was facing significant struggles. With sales down 10% year-to-date and over an 80-day supply of unsold units sitting on dealership lots, it's clear that dealerships are eager to move these vehicles. So what's causing the slump? The Tucson simply doesn't stand out in the crowded compact SUV market anymore. While it offers a decent 2.5-litre engine and hybrid options, it's struggling to compete with more efficient, feature-packed models that have a bigger appeal. The Tucson's tech features, which were once impressive, are starting to feel outdated compared to competitors like the Toyota RAV4, which offers better fuel efficiency, more advanced technology like a larger infotainment screen, and standard safety features that the Tucson lacks. Additionally, the higher trims of the Tucson can reach up to $37,000, which puts it in direct competition with more affordable options offering similar features and better value. The redesigned 2024 Tucson aimed to appeal to a younger audience with an upgraded interior and style, but even these improvements haven't been enough to win over buyers. As a result, Hyundai dealerships are offering significant discounts to move these vehicles. If you're considering a compact SUV, now might be the time to grab a Tucson at a great price, as dealerships are desperate to clear out the remaining inventory. Next up is the Ram 1500. This truck has long been a favorite in the full-size pickup market, known for its rugged reliability and smooth ride. However, in 2024, it's facing a 19% drop in sales, and dealers are eager to move this model off their lots. So what's causing this slump? The biggest issue is the rising demand for hybrid and electric trucks. While competitors like the Ford F-Series and Toyota Tundra have already introduced eco-friendly versions, Ram has been slow to offer hybrid or electric options, putting the Ram 1500 at a disadvantage. As gas prices fluctuate and environmental concerns grow, more consumers are opting for trucks with better fuel efficiency and a lower carbon footprint. Another challenge for the Ram 1500 is its high starting price of around $37,000, which puts it in direct competition with other trucks offering more advanced technology, better fuel efficiency, and more eco-friendly features. While the Ram 1500 is still a solid, reliable option for those who prefer traditional trucks, it's facing stiff competition from more innovative, fuel-efficient alternatives. As a result, dealers are offering massive incentives and discounts to clear out their Ram 1500 inventory. If you're not concerned about hybrid options and are looking for a great deal on a traditional pickup, now is the perfect time to grab a Ram 1500. But if you're waiting for more eco-friendly choices, you might want to hold off a little longer, as Ram works to catch up in the electric truck race. Next up is the Chrysler Pacifica. It's another model facing tough times. Once a popular choice in the minivan market, the Pacifica has seen a significant sales drop of 33% in Canada and a staggering 47% in the US. So what's behind this drastic slump? A major factor is the high starting price of around $38,000, which places it in direct competition with more affordable, family-friendly vehicles like the Honda Odyssey and Toyota Sienna. While the Pacifica offers great features such as ample seating and a smooth ride, it's hard to justify the premium price tag when other minivans or even SUVs provide similar features at a lower cost. Despite these struggles, the Pacifica Hybrid remains one of the top performers in the plug-in hybrid market, offering impressive fuel efficiency and lower emissions. However, even with the hybrid option, the Pacifica is still up against stiff competition. Many buyers are choosing more affordable alternatives or turning to SUVs that offer comparable space and features at a lower price. This shift in consumer preference has left dealerships with a lot of unsold inventory. As a result, Chrysler dealers are now offering hefty discounts to clear out their stock of Pacificas. If you're in the market for a spacious family vehicle, now might be the perfect time to grab a Chrysler Pacifica at a much more reasonable price than expected. Let's talk luxury. The BMW i7 was designed to dominate the electric sedan market, offering cutting-edge technology, unparalleled luxury, and that classic BMW driving experience. However, despite these high expectations, the i7 sales have been disappointing. With a starting price of over $100,000 and top trims reaching as much as $150,000, the i7 has not captured the attention of luxury buyers the way BMW had hoped. So why aren't buyers flocking to the i7? For starters, competitors like the Mercedes EQS and Lucid Air are offering better range, more advanced features, and competitive prices, leaving the i7 struggling to keep up. It's clear that the i7 is having a hard time competing with the value these alternatives offer. Another issue is the choice to use upscale fabric instead of leather for the interior, something that has not gone over well with many luxury buyers who expect only the finest materials in their vehicles. Because of these struggles, BMW is now offering deep discounts to clear out i7 inventory. If you're interested in a high-end electric sedan and are looking for a luxury EV at a significantly lower price than originally expected, now could be your chance to grab an i7 before dealers move their stock. Before we continue, quick question: are any of these cars catching your eye? Drop a comment below and let us know which model you're most interested in, or if you've had your eye on a deal you couldn't pass up. If you're enjoying the breakdown so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. This way you won't miss any future deals or updates on the best car buys out there. Now let's get back to the cars dealers are desperate to move. Next on the list is the Ford Maverick, which has one of the few success stories in a market full of struggling cars. While many vehicles are seeing a drop in sales, the Maverick is bucking the trend. However, despite its recent surge in popularity, dealerships are still trying to move these trucks fast. In 2024, the Maverick experienced an 82% increase in sales, making it one of the hottest budget-friendly options out there. But dealerships are eager to clear out stock quickly, especially as more units continue to roll off the assembly line. What's driving the Maverick's success? It's incredibly affordable, with prices starting at just $23,800. When compared to larger trucks that can easily cost double or triple, the Maverick is a clear winner for anyone who wants a pickup truck without the high price tag. It's also fuel efficient, which makes it even more appealing to buyers who want to save on gas, especially as gas prices keep rising. While the Maverick offers great value, dealerships are pushing to clear out inventory due to limited availability of newer models and the rapid rise in demand for more expensive trucks. If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective truck, now's a great time to pick up a Ford Maverick before dealers clear them out for good. Next, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This car has been a staple in the full-size truck market for years, but lately it's been struggling, especially with its light-duty variants. While the heavy-duty models continue to attract strong demand, the lighter models are facing significant challenges. Why? Consumers are increasingly opting for compact crossovers and smaller pickups, which are becoming more popular due to their lower costs, better fuel efficiency, and easier maneuverability, especially in urban environments. This shift in preferences has made competition in the full-size truck market even fiercer, with rivals like the Ford F-150 and Ram 1500 offering more attractive alternatives. With a starting price of $36,800, the Silverado 1500 directly competes with these popular models. However, Chevy may need to rethink its pricing and features to stay competitive, as more and more customers are turning to trucks that offer better value for the same price or even less. Despite its tough competition, the Silverado 1500 remains a reliable, durable truck, but it might not stand out for those looking for the latest tech or innovation. Dealers are now offering great deals to move these trucks off the lot. If you're looking for a solid, dependable full-size truck that don't need all the heavy-duty muscle, the Silverado 1500 could be the perfect option at an unbeatable price. Next, we have the Audi Q5 that has been facing significant struggles since 2024, with a 24% drop in sales in just the third quarter of the year. So why are dealers so eager to offload this model? It's due to a combination of factors. First, production issues like the ongoing microchip shortage have limited the availability of new Q5s, leaving dealerships with fewer units to sell. Even when these vehicles are in stock, high dealer markups are discouraging buyers. But it's not just about the price. Audi's decision to remove key features such as adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring has made the Q5 less appealing. Many buyers expect these features to come standard in a luxury vehicle, and competitors like the BMW X3 are now offering them at similar price points. Starting at $45,600, the Q5 is already a premium option, but with these drawbacks, it's struggling to compete. As a result, Audi dealerships are slashing prices and offering significant discounts to move the remaining Q5 inventory. If you're looking for a luxury SUV at a more affordable price, now might be your chance to grab a deal on the Audi Q5 before dealers clear out their stock. The Jeep Wrangler has long been a favorite for off-road enthusiasts, known for its iconic design and rugged performance. However, in 2024, it's facing some serious challenges. Despite its loyal fan base, the Wrangler is struggling with a 14% drop in sales, and overall Jeep brand sales are down by 19%. The big issue? Rising prices and fewer promotions are turning many potential buyers away. More buyers are opting for other vehicles that offer similar off-road capabilities at a lower price or with better overall value. Another problem is the lack of incentives. In the past, Jeep would offer attractive deals or discounts to help move their inventory quickly, but now those deals are harder to find. With a 4-month supply of unsold Wranglers sitting on dealership lots, these vehicles are piling up, and dealers are desperate to clear them out. The starting price for a Wrangler is $31,995, which is still a reasonable price for an off-road vehicle, but it's tough to compete with other more tech-savvy and fuel-efficient SUVs that have been gaining popularity. If you've been eyeing a Jeep Wrangler, now might be the perfect time to grab one, especially since dealerships are offering deep discounts to move their remaining stock. If you wait just a bit longer, you could land a great deal on this iconic off-roading vehicle. Coming up is the Ford Mustang. It's one of the few success stories in a market where many cars are struggling. However, even though it has a strong following, some dealers are still trying to get rid of excess inventory. In 2024, Mustang sales did see a boost, but not enough to prevent dealers from offering significant discounts to clear out older models. The Mustang has received a fresh redesign, with powerful V8 engines and high-performance variants that have made it a standout in the sports car market. Despite its popularity, the Mustang faces tough competition from other cars like the Chevrolet Camaro and Dodge Challenger, which are no longer in production. This has left the Mustang with less competition, but dealerships still have to move older models that aren't selling as quickly. The starting price for the 2024 Mustang is around $32,920 for the base EcoBoost model, but dealers are offering big price cuts to get these cars off the lot. If you're looking for a great deal on a Mustang, now might be your chance before the older models disappear. Next is the Dodge Charger. The Dodge Charger has been a fan favorite in the muscle car world for years, but right now dealers are desperate to move these cars off their lots. Sales have been dropping, and the problem lies in rising interest rates and higher fuel prices, which have made many buyers hesitant to purchase. In addition, Stellantis, Dodge's parent company, reported a 27% revenue decline in Q3 2024, which is affecting the Charger's overall sales. With the market becoming tougher for large muscle cars, Dodge is offering major discounts to clear out their inventory. This is great news for buyers looking to grab a deal, as prices for the 2024 Charger start at $36,120, but dealers are slashing prices even further to get these vehicles sold. While the Charger still has a strong fan base, the economic situation means dealers are trying to move them faster than ever. If you've had your eye on a Dodge Charger, now could be the perfect time to make a move before these deals disappear. Don't wait too long. With the discounts and dealers eager to sell, you might just score an unbeatable price. Coming up is the Toyota Tundra. It has been a reliable choice for those seeking a full-size truck, but in 2024 it's facing some challenges that are making it harder to sell. One of the biggest issues is the high starting price, which is around $46,000, combined with poor fuel efficiency compared to some newer models. As fuel prices remain high and more buyers look for affordable options, many are turning to trucks that offer better mileage or lower starting prices. With gas prices still a concern, the Tundra's fuel efficiency is becoming a harder sell. On top of that, production issues, especially due to supply chain problems, have led to fewer units being available. This has put additional pressure on dealerships to move stock quickly. As a result, many Toyota dealers are offering hefty discounts just to get these trucks off their lots. They need to clear the inventory, and that could be great news for buyers. If you're still set on a full-size truck but don't mind the higher price tag, the Tundra could be a great choice, especially with the current deals. With dealerships eager to move these trucks quickly, now is the time to grab a Toyota Tundra at a price that's hard to beat. But hurry, these deals won't last forever. Next is the Mitsubishi Mirage. It has long been one of the most affordable new cars on the market, but dealers are now desperate to clear out this budget-friendly model before it disappears. With a starting price of around $17,000, the Mirage has been a go-to option for buyers looking for a cheap, no-frills car. However, the car's outdated design and lack of modern features have led to disappointing sales, and now Mitsubishi has announced that the Mirage will be discontinued after 2024. With low sales numbers and the model being phased out, dealerships are offering deep discounts to move remaining stock. This makes it a great opportunity for those who don't mind an older design and just need a basic vehicle. If you're looking for an affordable car and don't need the latest tech or sleek looks, the Mirage is one of the last truly budget-friendly options available. But with the Mirage's discontinuation looming, dealers are pushing to get these cars off the lots quickly. If you want to grab this ultra-affordable ride at an even better price, now is the time to act before it's gone for good. Lastly, we have the Rivian R1T, which made a big splash when it first entered the market as one of the few electric trucks, but now it's facing some significant struggles. Production issues have hit Rivian hard, forcing the company to cut its 2024 production targets by over 10,000 units. With a starting price of $70,000, the R1T is out of reach for many potential buyers, and the vehicle's high price is contributing to its slow sales. To make matters worse, Rivian's stock price has dropped by more than 50% this year, adding to the uncertainty surrounding the company. Due to these challenges, dealerships are now eager to offload their remaining R1T inventory at discounted prices. While the R1T is still an exciting electric truck with plenty of potential, the market conditions are forcing Rivian to rethink its strategy. If you're an early adopter and have the cash to spare, now could be the perfect time to grab a Rivian R1T at a steep discount before the company works out its production and market issues. With deals available to clear stock, the Rivian R1T could be yours for less if you act quickly. And there you have it. 14 cars dealerships are eager to clear out. From Nissan Rogues to Rivian R1Ts, these models are facing big challenges, which means big discounts for you. But remember, just because a car's cheap doesn't mean it's the right fit. Be sure to pick the one that meets your needs, whether it's fuel efficiency, tech, or overall value. Which car surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deal. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.